little more close to God up here, but it's bracing wind. Good morning. After a short journey to the airport car park, where Siri decided to take us.
Right, going back just yet? Although we are taking the car back there tonight.
Yeah, but not yet. We're on the way to Hoover Dam. And it took us to the car park of the airport, which Ben thought was absolutely hilarious.
We didn't have to pay. We thought we'd have to pay $10 to get out.
Yeah.
But we didn't.
We didn't.
The filming part, it was so good.
That's your review, wasn't it?
I wouldn't say so. Anyway, after tempers have fled, we're now enjoying the ride to the Hoover Dam, which is one of the biggest dams in the world, isn't it?
There's exact stats on it, Chris, but it's very big. Yes.
It's not named after J. Edgar Hoover.
It was actually named after,
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go then.
President. Yeah, it was
J.
called
Edgar.
Boulder Dam.
J. Edgar Hoover.
And they changed it when President Hoover
Right.
came to see it. Something like that. Yeah. Might change it to the Marsden Dam now we've come to see it. How about that? I'd like to thank
Yeah, just on the road.
This car steers itself. Honestly, it doesn't. It gets too near one side and it beep pushes you over. And Chris is always going over that way, because he's sat on that side of the car.
Oh, because
But then I
you keep
try-
saying it beeps.
No, but then I try and get near that side. It beeps and pushes me back over here. I said no, Chris.
Anyway, here's some beautiful screenshots.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time, but you gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
Welcome to the Hoover Dam. This is all the steps and ramps on the way to the top where the dam is. We tried the steps for a few steps. We're a bit out of breath now. There's a fair bit to go, so thought we'd pace ourselves with the ramps. Which is nice, but lovely view of the car park. But yet again, a sunnier day than yesterday in Cape Basin. This is more of a sink. Welcome to the Hoover Dam. For those that don't like heights, look away now.
It's not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story.
So that is quite a big drop, but it's also a very, very big dam. And we're over at the dam bridge right now. So this on here is Arizona, and that's Nevada on that side. Arizona, Nevada.
Yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
Just been to the knick-knack shop. I've got a damn t-shirt. She's got a damn hoodie. I've got a damn novelty thing to put in the damn bar. I want a damn coffee. She wants to go to the damn toilets, and we're going to go over the damn bridge. And we're not angry. Random palm trees.
Are they real?
So behind us is the bridge that we were on. So we were just about there on the bridge, and now we're over the dam. The damn dam. So that's Nevada time. You can see on the clock there. As we go halfway through the bridge, sorry, there's a puddle there. There's Arizona time. So we cross the time zone halfway through the dam, which is just about right about there. And that's the view. Wow. It's quite a drop. That's a beautiful view across there. And right here, you can see we're right in the middle of Nevada and Arizona. So where my feet are standing, got one part of me that's in Arizona, one part that's in Nevada. There we go. So now I'm in Arizona. It didn't even feel like it was in a time warp. Just walked straight through, didn't feel a thing. It's great. There is Hoover Dam. It's really windy. Holding onto the phone. Wow. That's where we were on that bridge, just over there. Whew. And behind me is the Hoover Dam right down there. Wow. Gosh. Big ravine. And there's the Arizona time, exactly the same as Nevada time.
When there's nothing left to say, well, the good time is over, then I'll be on my way. But I'll come around swinging when the fire's all burned out. It's hard to believe in love, so never let your guard down, 'cause I'll come back swinging. You walk, you talk like you've been around, way down. Oh, I can feel it. You scream, you shout.
This is my now for cattle on the road, and sure enough, there's cattle on the road. So there's bulls and cows,
Bulls and horns.
bulls with horns. Yeah.
Dirty spinal.
When time is running out and the dream is over, you need some time to figure out that what comes around goes around. You say you always be around somehow.
Welcome to the Grand Canyon, and there it is. And this is Eagle Point. And if I point at the eagle there behind us, can you see that? As it stretches its wings out all the way through there, and there's the eagle's body. And you can see that is Eagle Rock. Yeah, and there it is, Eagle Rock. You see the eagle. It's fantastic. And that is the Grand Canyon right down there. At the pickup point where the buses are, where they've just dropped us off, just at the top there, it was freezing, wasn't it? It's not too bad
It's actually
here.
fine.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's
But
really
up in there, it's just really weird. There was snow on the ground and everything. But yeah,
Snow from the,
it's
we had snow from the Alps and the snow from the Grand Canyon.
see the sun shining on the rocks. So we're here in the middle of the trail. So this is like a history trail where it shows you various different bits of sweat lodges and camps and wigwams, and also the lodgings that they built. So just down there a little bit, and you follow this trail all the way around, and it leads you back to the main point, which is at Eagle Point over there. Holly's just getting ready to do some more music videos. We've just done one for Country Roads, just at the edge of the Grand Canyon. She's going to do another one here, which will have a great significance of the song which you're playing, which is
Indian Sunset by Elton John.
There we go, Indian Sunset by Elton John. You might know Elton John. He's a popular guy. I'll do some shots around here. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely fantastic, and it's just starting to spit now. But that is, I think, better than the other place. This is Guano Point. We are on the top point of Guano Point. This is like being at Rosebery Topping. A little bit more, you feel a little more closer to God up here, but it's bracing wind. A bracing wind. But look at that. Stunning, innit? Just phenomenal. And there's people right on the very top of that point there. No way. This is good enough for me. Good enough for me. Right up here. Oh, look at that.